What's up guys, OPPO will be launching the OPPO RENO3 series in the end of December 2019. The Chinese manufacturer has already confirmed that upcoming RENO3 and RENO3 Pro are dual mode 5G ready phones. The phone has appeared on Tena's authority database. The listing lacks images of the phone, but it has revealed some of its key specs. According to Tena, the device is fitted with a 6.5-inch display and it houses a 3935 mAh of minimum rated battery. The 3C listing of the phone reveals that it could be shipped with a charger that supports 30-watt rapid charger. OPPO has already confirmed that the RENO3 Pro 5G has a slim profile of 7.7mm and it houses a battery of which seems to be its typical capacity. Rumors have it that it will be arriving with a 6.5-inch AMOLED display, hence it appears that the newly spotted model could be the OPPO RENO3 Pro 5G. The Chinese manufacturer has already confirmed that the Snapdragon 765G mobile platform will be powering the RENO3 Pro 5G. It will be the second phone after the Redmi K30 that debuts on 10 December 2019 to feature the Snapdragon 765G chipset. OPPO has already revealed that the RENO3 Pro 5G has an AMOLED display with a punch hole placed at its top left corner, and it is expected that this phone will have a 90Hz refresh rate and 120Hz touch sampling rate. It is speculated that the RENO3 Pro 5G could be coming with a 12GB of RAM. Its rear side could be fitted with the optical image stabilization assisted 48MP plus 8MP plus 13MP plus 2MP quad camera setup. So these are the details we know so far about the upcoming OPPO RENO3 and OPPO RENO3 Pro 5G. If you like the video, please hit the like button and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.